Yo, this is your boy JoeBlack. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with JoeBlack. If this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say thank you for clicking this video in the first place. While you're here, I hope you like it enough to give it a thumbs up, click that notification bell and subscribe. And tell a friend for tell a friend. To my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you guys for the continued support and thanks for the love. Alright, I really appreciate it. And in today's video, I'm just going to be doing some Escovitch fish. Nothing difficult, just something simple. Right? Match up the Escovitch thing, yeah? So don't go away. I soon come.
Markla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are free for the hero.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Here we're going to do some Escovitch fish. Here I have 3 sea bass. Right? And already wash them with lime and clean them up properly, right? So what I'm gonna do, and I also pot dry them with a paper towel to get rid of the excess water. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna season these, and here I have some mixed seasoning, right? So this is all-purpose jerk season, black pepper, and fish seasoning, and a bit of onion powder as well. Right, so that's the powder season that we have here. Right, before I start seasoning these, I'm gonna just give them a nice little cut in the middle here. Right, the other side, I'll do this on both sides. Right. Right, so that's our 3 of them all sliced. So now I'm just gonna season these, and I'm not gonna be putting loads of season. I'm gonna season them lightly, alright? So you wanna season the outside, just sprinkle some seasoning on the outside. Boom. And on the inside you wanna get your seasoning in that crease as well. And get your seasoning in the crease. Alright. So let's say I'm not putting no more seasoning on that on it. And one side, just rub it all on. Rub it. And you do the same thing for the other side as well. Open them. And you rub the seasoning, get the seasoning all inside. And just a little bit. And we're not over seasoning. We're not killing with seasoning. Right? You put these in the fridge for 2 hours, and trust me, you not even put them so long. You can put them in the fridge for like maybe a hour, and you get the same result. Right. Just get it all in, right? And you want to get it inside here as well. If you're like me, I love my fish head, right? So I want to have it seasoned as well, right? So that's how one of the fish done seasoned, and you just repeat the process for the others. So what I'm gonna do now, after I put these in the fridge, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna make my Escovitch sauce. I'm gonna cut the season and everything. So soon come. Alright guys, I ate that. Everything all chopped. The first time I use a vinegar, yeah. It smells really nice and strong. The Jamaica Valley. And I'm actually using their season as well for the first time. So yeah, let's see the taste that it gives us. All natural seasoning. So now we're gonna fry our fish, and we're gonna add some oil to the pot. Alright. To my oil, I'm gonna add 2 peg of garlic, pepper. Alright. and some thyme. Yeah. So that's a one. Now we have the next one. And we'll fry them up on low heat. Time to turn them around. Like this. Gonna take out the net and before we do the right thing. Now let's put it in this one. Alright. Alright, that's one. Let them drain a little bit and take them out. So the last fish is the biggest one. So I have to cut it or else it wouldn't hold in the pot. Alright, so like that. So guys, alright, here we have our fish fried. Everything in. That's everything. All our seasoning, you know, we have bell pepper, we have carrot, we have Scotch bonnet pepper, we have garlic, and we have onion. Alright. We see a mixed seasoning we have. We're going to just sprinkle it in it. Alright. Not much. That's it. And that's just all that sprinkle, so we know we're going to have the vinegar. Alright. I'm going to like with a little bit, so yeah. So that, yeah. Don't make a mistake and put my pepper on my lip, and yeah. So like that, we're not do this no more. Eat this. Come on, look at that color. So guys, this is the finished product. My Escovitch fish, right? Escovitch sea bass, and yeah, this is our dinner. Finally finished, and we're gonna be having this with some Bammy and fried plantain. This is our Bammy and our fried plantain that we're gonna be having this fish with. Yeah, and I soaked my Bammy in coconut milk, so they're really juicy, really nice. Yeah, yeah, nice golden brown. And look at them fish one more time. Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and it really means a lot. The support that you guys giving me, the love, everything, it means so much to me. If this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for clicking this video, right? And I hope that this video, you like this video enough, right, to give it a thumbs up, and to share with your friends and family and tell them about this little YouTuber JoeBlack, right? Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. To my returning subscribers, like, just want to say thank you guys. Thank you guys for the continuous love, and thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. It means a lot to me, right? It means a lot, right? And I just want to say this is where I pull it, alright? So until next time, walk good. I love you. Peace.